In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a hotel on Agoda without using a credit card. If you love to travel but don't have a credit card, don't worry. Agoda offers alternative payment options so you can still secure your stay easily. First, open your preferred web browser and type Agoda into the search bar, or open the Agoda app on your smartphone. Once you're on the home page, click the login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, just create a new account by following the on-screen steps. After logging in, use the search bar to enter your destination and travel dates. Browse through the available hotels and choose the one that best fits your budget and preferences. Agoda also gives you filters and sorting tools, so you can easily narrow down your options. Once you've selected your hotel, click Book to start the reservation process. Continue to the checkout page. This is where you'll choose your payment method. Instead of using a credit card, look for alternative payment options such as digital wallets, debit cards, or other local payment services supported in your region. These give you flexibility and make booking possible even without a credit card. After selecting your preferred non-credit card payment option, enter your details carefully and review your booking information. When everything looks correct, confirm your reservation. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification in the app, which you should keep handy for check-in. And that's it, you've successfully booked a hotel on Agoda without using a credit card. Agoda's flexible payment options make travel easier and more accessible than ever. Enjoy your trip and happy travels.